Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to live stream on YouTube on phone. So let's get started. If your YouTube channel is not eligible for mobile live streaming, start by opening the App Store or Play Store and download the Streamlabs app. After that, open the Chrome browser and go to YouTube. Tap on your profile icon and open YouTube Studio. Once it opens, request the desktop site. Now click the settings icon at the bottom left corner. From the side menu, tap on Channel, then go to Feature Eligibility. Under that, select Intermediate Features and tap to expand it. To enable live streaming, you must verify your channel using your phone number. Enter your number, wait for the verification code, enter it, and complete the verification process. Once verified, open the Streamlabs app and sign in using the same YouTube account. Tap Go Live, then choose whether you want to stream your camera or share your screen. Select the verified YouTube channel. Now, set up your live stream by giving it a title, description, setting the access level, and choosing a thumbnail. Once everything is set, tap Go Live, and your stream will begin instantly. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.